This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jill Varga. Adorable 3-bedroom single-family ranch home vacant, located in the Forest Park neighborhood in Norfolk. Move-in ready August 21st. Newly updated well-maintained home with open floor plan, with 2 family rooms, dining room, custom open kitchen with newly updated refrigerator, dishwasher and electric range and laundry room with washer/dryer too. Home features carefree laminate LVP flooring throughout most of home. Main bedroom features a full bath, 2 other good-sized bedrooms all carpeted too. Hallway bath and main bath both with tile flooring. Minutes from all military bases, shopping and transportation. Backyard fenced in with additional work shed and beautiful landscaping throughout. A decorative fireplace, only, included too. This home is 1.5 miles from Oceanview Oceanfront 2. To apply, copy link, retrent.com/listings/details/F34021 AB A2F64C1595F6CF93D4507 AB. For more information, review the details below.